24 ounces green beans, 1 pound lean ground beef. Now we're gonna put in about half of 1 diced onion. Perfect. Coming in with my triple cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna put in all 2 cups from this bag in. Perfect. 1 can cream of mushroom soup, condensed. Delicious. Now I'm coming in with some garlic powder. Ooh, I just love garlic. This is such an easy, traditional American dinner. Now I'm gonna put in some Italian seasoning. It's gonna go great with that cream of mushroom soup. You can also use a cream of cheddar if you like. I like to do the cheddar sometimes. All right, I'm just gonna give this a stir, get this all incorporated, and also break up my meat. Now, if you wanna do this a quicker way, not in your crock pot, you can use fresh green beans and you can use already cooked ground beef. Just mix this together in a 13x9, and then you'll kind of have a very fast cooking little dinner that you can do in the oven. But since I've got the time today, I am just doing this into my crock pot, and I'm gonna let it sit for quite a while, and then we're gonna have a delicious dinner later on with barely doing anything. This is just so easy, y'all. That's why I love the crock pot. It makes your house smell amazing all day long and is so satisfying. All right, on top here, I'm doing a layer of Parmesan cheese. You'll definitely wanna do this step if you do this in the oven. This makes such a nice little crust on top. Now I'm gonna put a bowl here for a moment, and I'm coming in with my Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix, one of my absolute favorites. This is so yummy. Now we just need 1 cup of cheddar in here, or about half of this bag. Perfect. And 1 cup of water, and then we'll be ready to mix this all up. Y'all, Cheddar Bay biscuits are so good, so easy. I don't know if y'all go to Red Lobster where you live, but I love a Red Lobster trip. I love their biscuits. They're my favorite thing. And so it's so nice that they have them at home. It's kind of like the breadsticks at Olive Garden, but you can't replicate those. I don't know why. They're just not the same when you try and make them at home as they are when you go to the Olive Garden. Yum. Oh, this already looks perfect. Smells amazing. All right, we've got our biscuits all mixed up here, and I've got a glove on, and now I'm just gonna do little drops of them as a crust on top here. This is gonna be perfect. They're gonna cook along with those green beans, that meat, that cheese, all of our yummy, yummy goodness. What an easy, easy recipe. And like I said, you can totally do this in the oven with your sort of fresh ingredients, and it'll take, you know, a little less time, but today we've got the time. I love a crock pot meal. Alrighty, I'm just gonna put my lid onto my crock pot. I'm gonna cook this on high for about 4 hours. All right, y'all, it's been in the crock pot for 3 hours. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful Cheddar Bay biscuits, how perfect those have baked up. We've got our green beans in here with all of our cheesy goodness. And our perfectly cooked ground beef. Y'all, I cannot wait to taste this. Oh, with the Parmesan, this is so good. Y'all, you gotta try this.